Hi, Year 9. Just a few brief words about your essay, just to give you a bit of a hand. I put in a thing called a petal, which is a scaffold to help you organise your thoughts when it comes to your body paragraph writing. Your introduction and your body paragraph are key. And if you look at the petal, you've got what each one stands for: point, evidence, technique, analysis, and link. Keep that in mind at all times. Secondly, your essay asks for maybe 3 big points about the novel, Boy in the Striped Pajamas, but I've suggested 3 to you. I'd look for 1 or 2 more. What else is going on there in terms of clash of culture, clash of identity, sense of belonging, alienation, connection, disconnection, that kind of stuff. Good luck with that. But ask yourself this: what do you want to say about the novel? What do you feel is important with this novel? That's where your thesis comes from, that personal engagement. So look at that question, and it says there's a symbol in there, a motif, an idea, like the fence. What does the fence represent for the 2 boys? And then what other fences are there in this novel between the 2 cultures that are in opposition to each other? And further to that, how does that shape, help, and create meaning? Note also in Petal, evidence is the second thing. Your quote comes very early. Good luck.